What if I told you the brand of car you drive could secretly determine whether you'll be repair-free for years or bankrupt from constant breakdowns? That's right. Mechanics know exactly which brands are built to last and which ones fall apart faster than you can say, check engine light. In today's video, we're revealing the most honest ranking ever, straight from real-world mechanic experience, of the best and worst car brands in 2025. Some will surprise you, and a few might even make you question your current ride. So before you buy your next car, make sure you hit like, subscribe to Care Xpert, and turn on that bell, because what you learn today could save you thousands tomorrow. Let's dive in. The worst car brands you should avoid like the plague. Number 5, Jeep. Once known for rugged off-road adventures, Jeep's reliability has taken a nosedive in recent years. Mechanics constantly see problems with electrical systems, transmissions, and 4x4 components. The Grand Cherokee and Compass, in particular, have earned a reputation for dashboard-like chaos and transmission jerks. Parts are expensive, and repairs aren't quick fixes. You're often replacing whole components. The brand's charm lies in style and off-road appeal, but daily drivers report poor build quality, excessive fuel consumption, and premature wear. If you're after reliability, Jeep is no longer the go-anywhere, do-anything brand it once was. Before you think all rugged vehicles are bad, wait till you see which SUV brand tops the best list later. Number 4, Land Rover Luxury. Yes. Reliable? Not even close. Land Rovers are infamous among mechanics for constant electrical failures, air suspension leaks, and engine oil issues. The Range Rover Sport may look like royalty on wheels, but maintaining one costs as much as owning a small aircraft. What's worse, repairs are highly specialized, meaning not every mechanic can even work on them. You'll find yourself at the dealership more than on the road. Despite their incredible comfort, the ownership experience is plagued with reliability nightmares. But not all luxury SUVs are a nightmare. One coming up later will completely change your opinion. Number 3, Fiat Chrysler, including Dodge. When it comes to long-term reliability, this group constantly disappoints. The engines and transmissions often give out before 100,000 miles, and interior materials degrade fast. Mechanics often see leaky seals, misfires, electrical gremlins, and rust issues. Dodge models like the Journey and Charger look sporty, but they're infamous for mechanical breakdowns and high maintenance costs. The reliability ratings are some of the lowest in the US, and resale values reflect it. In short, if you want power and style, but also reliability, look elsewhere. But don't lose hope yet. Some American brands are quietly making a comeback. Stick around. Number 2, Alfa Romeo. Every mechanic will tell you the same thing. Beautiful cars, terrible reliability. Alfa Romeo suffers from software glitches, electrical problems, and build quality inconsistencies. Owners report endless warning lights and dealer visits. While the driving experience is thrilling, maintenance costs are through the roof, and parts availability can be frustrating. Mechanics often joke that Alfa owners spend more time at the service bay than behind the wheel. But if you want sporty performance that doesn't break down, the top best list has one that will blow your mind. Number 1, BMW. Now this one will surprise a lot of people. BMWs are mechanical marvels, but absolute nightmares for maintenance. The truth is, these cars are over-engineered. They perform beautifully when new, but once the warranty ends, every repair becomes expensive and complicated. Common issues include oil leaks, cooling system failures, and timing chain problems. A single repair can easily cost thousands. Mechanics agree. BMWs are great for leasing, not owning long-term. They're precision machines, until they're not. Now that you've seen the worst, let's balance it out with the brands that mechanics actually love to work with, because they rarely break down in the first place. The best car brands mechanics actually respect. Number 5, Toyota. Toyota continues to reign supreme in reliability. Mechanics praise it for simple engineering, strong engines, and easy access to parts. Cars like the Camry, Corolla, and RAV4 are practically bulletproof, often hitting 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. The secret? Toyota focuses on proven technology instead of flashy trends. Their transmissions are robust, electronics minimal, and build quality outstanding. Even hybrid systems like in the Prius have been tested for decades with minimal issues. If you want a car that just works, Toyota delivers every single time. But don't count out the other Japanese giants. One of them is giving Toyota real competition. Number 4. Honda mechanics love Hondas for their balanced reliability, fuel efficiency, and simple design. Cars like the Accord and Civic rarely show major issues even after 200,000 miles. Their engines are smooth, gearboxes are strong, and maintenance is straightforward. Honda's engineering philosophy focuses on durability and low cost of ownership. Even used Hondas hold their value because people trust them. For anyone who wants a car that can take years of commuting without complaint, Honda is the go-to brand. And if you thought Japanese cars were unbeatable, wait till you see which Korean brand just joined this elite club. Number 3. Hyundai/Kia. A decade ago, Hyundai and Kia were the underdogs. Now they've become some of the most trusted brands on the road. Mechanics report fewer major failures and easy access to affordable parts. Models like the Hyundai Tucson and Kia Sportage now rival Honda and Toyota in quality, with long warranties and strong engines. The newer powertrains are more reliable, and the build quality has drastically improved. The best part? These cars offer modern features without sacrificing dependability, a rare combo in 2025. But reliability isn't just about affordable cars. One luxury brand is setting a new standard. Number 2, Lexus mechanics consider Lexus the gold standard for luxury reliability. Essentially, they're Toyotas with extra refinement. The engines are powerful yet nearly indestructible, and the electronics rarely fail. Owners routinely surpass 250,000 miles with only routine maintenance. The secret is Lexus's obsession with quality control. Every part is tested to perfection. Mechanics often say Lexus cars are the boring luxury brand because they simply don't break. If you want comfort, class, and peace of mind, Lexus is unbeatable. And if you think nothing could be more dependable than a Lexus, you're about to see one brand that might just outlast them all. Number 1. Subaru surprised? Mechanics aren't. Subaru's boxer engines, symmetrical all-wheel drive, and bulletproof construction have earned deep respect. These cars are incredibly durable in rough climates and offer superior handling stability. Modern Subarus like the Outback and Forester are easy to maintain, with engines that can handle tough conditions for decades. Mechanics love them for one reason: consistent reliability and smart engineering. Subaru's secret is balance. It's rugged like a truck but refined like a sedan. That's why they're often called the unsung heroes of long-term ownership. So there you have it, the real mechanics ranking of the best and worst car brands of 2025. Some are worth every penny, others are ticking time bombs waiting to drain your wallet. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Care Xpert, and drop a comment telling us which brand you drive and if it's treated you well or not. Until next time, drive smart, stay safe, and remember, your mechanic knows more about your car brand than the commercial ever will.